So there you go, that's all the parts for the rear brake master cylinder. Obviously I'm going to be putting a new fitting kit in there, so all that'll be replaced. Obviously the new circlip comes with it. That was a little bit corroded in that. The rest of it will all clean up. I've got a new brake hose coming because I'm changing the layout of the front brake hoses, so I fancy a change, go black. So I've ordered a complete clutch and brake line kit. I've got a new diaphragm, I've got new screws on their way, I've just ordered a new hose. That's sort of, a lot of people wouldn't change that, but I don't know how long it's been on the bike. It could have been on there 20 years. Yeah, so I've got a new one of them coming. Obviously clean up the rest. That'll be gone. So, time to put a clean, time to clean everything up. Then I'll put a nice clean, grease-free, hair-free blanket on there, and then we'll reassemble it. So onto the cleanup. Just a thin smear of rubber grease because it's going to be sitting without fluid for a while. I would normally just lubricate it with a bit of brake fluid, but make sure this circlip sits in the groove. So you'll hear a nice positive click when it's in place. Just going to put this on for the time being, and then I'll set this back up properly once it's on the bike. Again, this will be replaced when the new hoses arrive, but for the time being, that's just going to help keep the dirt out of it. again until we're ready to fit it back to the bike, just to stop things going missing. I have a habit of putting things down and then having to rely on my other half to come and find them again. Right, and there we have it. That is the rear brake master cylinder rebuilt. So this hose would be replaced. That split pin will be replaced once I fit it back to the bike. But yeah, job's good. Nice, easy job. So I've got to do that again. I've got to do that to the clutch slave cylinder, the clutch master cylinder. I'm going to do both of those, and then that's all the hydraulics done. So yeah, I hope that was enjoyable for you, as it was for me. Thanks for watching.